So when you're looking at gardening catalogs, what do all those terms mean? For example, if you're looking at tomatoes, what is a determinate tomato? How is it different than an indeterminate? An indeterminate will continue to grow. It'll get bigger and bigger, or taller and taller. A lot of times, indeterminate tomatoes are grown in high tunnels and in greenhouses. A determinate tomato sort of has a size at which it will grow. For instance, and when you're looking at a catalog, they might refer to it as a bush tomato, and it will get to a height of 4 or 5 feet. What about hybrid and heirloom? An heirloom tomato or other plant is one that's open pollinated and one with which you can save the seed and replant the next year. A lot of heirloom varieties of tomato are indeterminate. We often think of heirlooms as going back generations in people's families, or maybe within different locations. A hybrid tomato is developed using traditional breeding methods in a field. A lot of times people think a hybrid equals GMO, but that's not the case. These are not genetically modified plants. In fact, they are just bred in the field, which takes a long time to get these varieties. They tend to be bred looking for certain variety characteristics, maybe some disease resistance, or maybe they pack better, or they are a certain color. And a lot of times these are kind of your traditional red tomato, but that is kind of the biggest misconception I hear, though, is that a hybrid plant is also a GMO, and that is not correct. One other big difference between a hybrid and heirloom is that the seed that you may save from a hybrid fruit is not, most likely is not viable because of the way it is bred.